Hello everyone, I am Kritika Kumar and today we are going to learn comprehension check, walking with the text, walking with language, speaking and writing from the 3 questions lesson. Okay, now we are going to start from comprehension check, page number 10. Question number 1. Why did the king want to know answer to 3 questions? அந்த 3 கேள்விகளுக்கான ஆன்சர் எதுக்கு அந்த கிங்க்கு தேவைப்பட்டுச்சுன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. The king wanted to know answers of these 3 questions because of the thought came to his mind that he would never fail if he knew answers to these 3 questions. Okay, question number 2. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. First one to fetch wise men. Second one to find answers to the questions. Third one to look for the wise hermit. Fourth one to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. Answer is fourth one to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. மெசஞ்சர் வந்து என்ன ஒரு செய்தி அந்த கிங் வந்து த்ரூ அவுட் த கிங்டம்க்கு அனுப்புனாரு. ஆமாம், நான் வந்து இந்த 3 கொஷின்ஸ்க்கு ஆன்சர் சொன்னால் நான் உங்களுக்கு ரிவார்ட் தரேன்னு தான் அந்த கிங் சொன்னார். Here comprehension check, page number 14. Complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate parts of the sentences given in the box. Boxes is given below. Here the box is given. You should find the appropriate answers to the sentences. First one, many wise men answered the king questions, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. அவங்களோட ஆன்சர்ஸ் வந்து அவருக்கு சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷனாக இல்லை கிங்குக்கு. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. சில பேர் கவுன்சில் வந்து அட்வைஸ் வாங்கிக்க சொன்னாங்க ஞானிகள்கிட்ட இருந்து. டு ஹெல்ப் த கிங் ஆக்ட் அட் த ரைட் டைம். அதாவது சரியான நேரத்தில் அந்த கிங் வந்து வேலை செய்யறதுக்காக கவுன்சில் எடுக்க சொன்னாங்க வைஸ்மென் கிட்ட. ஸோ த ஆன்சர் இஸ் டு ஹெல்ப் த கிங் ஆக்ட் அட் த ரைட் டைம். தேர்ட் ஒன், someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it ஸ்ட்ரிக்டாக அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ண சொன்னாங்க. த கிங் ரெக்வஸ்டட் த ஹெர்மிட். என்ன ரெக்வஸ்ட் பண்ணார்? டு ஆன்சர் 3 questions. 3 கேள்விகளுக்கு பதில் சொல்ல சொல்லி ரெக்வஸ்ட் பண்ணார். த கிங் washed and dressed the beard man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. அந்த ரத்தம் நிற்கவே இல்லை. Walking with the text, page number 14. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Why was the king advised to go to the magicians? எதுக்காக அந்த கிங்கை வந்து மெஜிஷியன்ஸ் கிட்ட போக சொன்னாங்க? சொல்யூஷன். In answer to the first question, in order to decide right time for doing something, one must look into the future and only magicians were able to do that. So they advised the king to go to the magicians. அதாவது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷினுக்கு ஆன்சராக என்ன சொன்னாங்க? மெஜிஷியன்ஸ் கிட்ட போயிட்டு நீங்கள் ஃப்யூச்சரை பற்றி கணிக்கலான்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க ஆன்சர் சொன்னாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷினுக்கு. Question number 2. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Solution. In answer to the second question, some people suggested to seek advice of counselors, the priest or doctors or the soldiers. Question number 3. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? Solution. For the third question, some people said science was the most important business, while there were others who believed it was fighting, and then there were those who believed religious worship should take the first place. Okay, question number 4. Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? Solution. No, the wise men did not win the reward because their answers were so different from each other and the king was not satisfied with their answers. Okay, question number 5. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? எப்படி அந்த கிங்கும் ஹெர்மிட்டும் அந்த wounded manக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க? The king, okay, solution is the king washed the wound and covered the wound of the man with his handkerchief and kept on dressing it until the bleeding stopped completely. The king also offered the wounded man water to drink. The hermit helped the king to bring the wounded man inside his hut and allowed the man to spend his night in the hut. Question number 6. First one, who was the bearded man? And second, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Solution. First one answer is, the bearded man was an enemy of the king. He wanted to take revenge of his brother's death by killing the king and taking away all his property. And second one answer is, the bearded man asked for the king's forgiveness because he wanted to kill the king, but the king has saved his life. He was grateful to the king now. Question number 7. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Solution. The king showed his forgiveness by promising the man that he will send his doctor and servants to look after him, and also promised to return him all his property. Question number 8. What were the hermit's answer to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answers do you like the most and why? அதாவது இந்த 8th கொஷினில் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, ஹெர்மிட் வந்து அந்த 3 கொஷின்ஸ்க்கு ஆன்சர் சொன்னார்ல, அந்த 3 ஆன்சர்ஸும் எழுதுங்க. ப்ளஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு இந்த ஆன்சர்ஸில் எந்த ஆன்சர் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு, உங்களுக்கு எது ரொம்ப முக்கியம்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அந்த ஆன்சரையும் நீங்கள் எழுதுங்கன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, சொல்யூஷன் இஸ், in answer to king's first question, the hermit said that there is only one important time now. It is the only time when you have the power to act. In answer to king's second question, the hermit said that the most important person at the moment is the one with whom we are at the present. In response to king's third question, the hermit answered that the most important business is to be kind and good to others, because we have been sent in this world to serve in this noble cause. And I like the third answer the most, because helping someone in need is like serving God. ஒருத்தவங்களுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு யாராவது உதவி தேவைப்படுறவங்களுக்கு உதவுறது அந்த கடவுளுக்கே உதவுற மாதிரி. It makes us a good person and bring a sense of satisfaction and contentment. Talking with the text, page number 15. Question number 1. Match items in list A with their meanings in list B. Fainted, lost consciousness. Like this, you should match the items from A to B. And the answer is, okay, use any 3 of the given words in sentences of your own. உங்களுடைய சென்டென்சஸ் ஓன் சென்டென்சஸ் வந்து இது கிவன் 3 வேர்ட்ஸ்லேருந்து நீங்களே மேக் பண்ணுங்கள். யூ மே சேஞ்ச் த ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் த வேர்ட். யூ கேன் சேஞ்ச் த ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் த வேர்ட். அண்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் wounded, severely injured. Wounded means severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. And third one, forgive, pardon. And fourth one, faithful, loyal. Fifth one, pity, feel sorry for. Sixth one, beds, small patches of ground for plants. And seventh one is return, give back. And the 3 sentences are, I will ask my parents to forgive my bad behavior. And second one is, dog is faithful animal of man. Third one is, I am feeling pity for my shameful act. Okay, each of the following sentences has 2 blanks. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the word given in the brackets. Page number 15. He has dashed to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? He has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? Okay, coming to the point. The judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. And here the answer is judge and judgment. And second one, I didn't notice any serious of difference opinion among the debaters, although they differed from one another over small points. Differ. Okay, here the answer is difference, differed. And it's fairly simple question to answer, but will accept my answer as final. Here the answer is answer and answer. And it is not necessary that necessity should always be the mother of invention. Here necessary, necessity. And third one, hermit or wise men How they acquire their wisdom, no one can tell. And the answer is wise and wisdom. And the committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The decision is likely to please everyone. Okay, here decided decision. Okay, here asking for forgiveness is as noble as willingness to forgive. Here answer is forgiveness and forgive. Speaking and writing, page number 16, question number 1. Imagine you are the king. Narrate the incident of your meeting with the hermit. Begin like this. அதாவது நீங்கள் ஒரு கிங்காக இமேஜின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அண்ட் நீங்கள் ஒரு ஸ்டோரியை நரேட் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்களாவே ஓனாகவே எழுதுங்க. The wise men answered my questions, but I was not satisfied with their answers. One day, I decided to go and meet the hermit. I knew the hermit used to help only ordinary men. So I left behind my servants and bodyguards and I went to meet him wearing simple clothes. The hermit was an old man and used to live in a hut amidst in the woods. He was digging the ground in front of his hut. When I arrived there, he greeted me and continued his work. I informed him the purpose of my visit, but still he continued digging the ground. He looked tired also. I offered my help. He agreed, so I took the spade from him and started digging the ground. After digging for many hours, I again repeated my questions, but the hermit did not answer. Evening was approaching and now I thought of returning. Suddenly the hermit showed me a bearded man who was running towards us. Question number 2. Imagine you are the hermit. Write briefly the incident of your meeting the king. Begin like this. One day I was digging in my garden. A man in ordinary clothes came to see me. I knew it was the king, but still pretended to be unaware of his identity. He told me that he has come to me to get answers for his 3 questions. I greeted him and continued digging the ground. I was tired digging the ground. The king noticed this and offered his help. I agreed and gave my spade to him. After digging 2 beds in the ground, the king repeated his question. I ignored him again and rather asked him if he was tired and would like me to dig the ground, but he refused to do so. I continued the task. Evening was approaching and it seemed that he was ready to leave. At that very moment, we saw a man running towards us. Okay children, now we are in the end of the session and I hope it was more important to you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and we will meet you and catch you on the next video. Until then, bye from yours Kirtya Kumar. Thank you children, thank you so much.